Welcome to the Sauna Place. I'm Brian.
Today I'm going to show you our new Heritage Lux Glass sauna.
Built with care and precision, this two-person sauna elevates your home sanctuary.
Every Heritage Lux Glass is crafted from select tight knot spruce,
The hallmark of Finnish sauna tradition, ensuring superior durability and a refined, clean look. Inside, the same spruce forms the benches, backrest, and flooring, creating an inviting warmth and seamless consistency throughout the cabin. Step inside through a full tempered glass door with a sleek vertical handle, designed for light, openness, and visual continuity.
You can customize your Heritage Lux Glass experience with a top-quality sauna heater
to deliver that authentic Finnish heat that's both powerful and soothing. The sauna also comes complete with an aspen bucket, dipper, head and backrest, thermometer, and sauna sign. Every detail thoughtfully included.
Designed for easy DIY assembly, the Heritage Lux Glass ships in neatly labeled pieces that lock together precisely,
reflecting both intelligent design and quality construction. The door can either be put in on the left or the right depending on how you install it. This sauna is perfect for two people. As you can see in the way we have it set up, the heater will go on the right side. You have your lower bench, upper bench, and the floor section. Benching is in the piano style as opposed to the boards running left to right. They're running front to back. Gives it a great modern look. This already has the conduit ran for your heater, saves you time and money there. Already has a spot on the inside for a light and a box already for a switch if you want your lights on a separate switch.
Compact yet luxurious, this Heritage Lux Glass fits beautifully in indoor spaces or covered patio,
bringing the health, tranquility, and tradition of a Finnish sauna to your everyday life. Crafted to last, shaped with purpose. If you want to see more sauna products or innovations, be sure to subscribe to the channel. And if you'd like to learn more about the glass, or if you're ready for your next sauna, give us a call at 931-516-6577 or visit us at saunaplace.com. We hope to see you soon.